Yumsters, today guys, we're back for a video. So, my dog is digging because on the Philippines is too hot on here. I think 190 degrees. So look, he's digging and he's gonna be dirty. So we're gonna wash him. So yeah, and Scam dig that there first. Scam dig there first. So or you take it because he's too hot. And Scam is mad. So guys, look at our durian. So big. Super big. Look. So humongous. There's Indra. He's scratching his butt cheeks. And this is our durian, guys. So humongous. So big. Look. I think our durian is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, we have a grilled. So cause grilled is so yummy. Grilled yeah, so yummy. Look guys, so yummy. So I'm gonna flip it. Okay. Oh my god, so juicy guys. And I'm gonna put some sauce on it. This is gonna be so yummy guys. Super yummy. If you're in the Philippines, this is your lunch. If you're in the Philippines, so you should go to the Philippines and buy this meat and buy a grill. So eat this, bro. This is so yummy. And Orio's there, just sleeping. He's tired. So yummy. If you're in the Philippines, guys, you should eat this. Inza is climbing. Inza, don't go, okay? You're gonna stay here, okay? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, that's Inza. He's the talking dog. So hot on here. So hot in there, guys. So hot on here. And it's cloudy. Hot and cloudy. Inza's there. He's scared of to jump. Inza, don't jump. Don't jump there. There's many snakes. Oh my god. Inza almost jumped there. You want to go? Come here. You want to jump? Come here, come here. Come here. Inza. This is not scary. Inza's scared. He don't want to jump. Because of the heights. Inza scared of the heights. So guys, this is end for the video. I hope you like and subscribe and click the notification bell to get us notified. Okay guys, so that's the thing. Okay, click the bell and click the subscribe, punch the subscribe, and peace out.